Hello guys, Vladimir99 here. Thank you for reaching my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install your My Huawei app and be an early bird for the HarmonyOS. I have here a MatePad Pro, and as you can see, if I access App Gallery and search for My Huawei app, it won't be available. But if you will download the file I provide you in the description, this file is the My Huawei app, is the latest version of the Chinese version. You have to download it and install it on your device. For this purpose, you don't need any VPN service. Just wait for the installation to finish. Installation successful. Now you can open the app. It doesn't matter if you have an Huawei ID registered to outside China or any other country which isn't listed. You have to tick these two, head to next, agree with the terms, and now we will get a notification asking us if we want to switch to the China version of this app. We tap on yes, and it will keep loading. If you don't get this notification, you can select from this list China and tap on it. The servers are busy and you will get a notification unable to connect to server, try again, and you will have to keep trying, keep tapping this until you will get into the application. If you won't be able to get into the application, you can close the My Huawei app, try to open it again, and tap again on China. Also, I told you the servers are busy. If you can't connect, you can try out a VPN service and try to connect to a Hong Kong server and it should work. I finally managed to connect to the server. As you can see, I haven't used any VPN service or something. If it won't work, you just try to reboot your tablet or go to applications, scroll down to My Huawei app, go to storage, clear cache and clear data, and it should work. Okay, now it asks me to access the device location and I will allow it. And this is the interface of the My Huawei app. In this announcement, it's written in Chinese that the update plan for HarmonyOS will be announced later. Also, I think it will appear in this button. It's like an upload button. And this will take us directly to the page where we should be able to upgrade to HarmonyOS. Just stay tuned because Huawei team will launch HarmonyOS as soon as possible. So if you like my work, just like it, subscribe to my channel and comment. We are waiting now for the big moment when we will be able to install HarmonyOS to our device. Also make sure that your device is in the list which with the devices which will get the update right today. Okay, have a great day, bye.